Hey, Alex. Long time no see. Where have you been hiding? Are you living in the library now? Should I bring you food next time?
Very funny, Sora. I'm not hiding. I was just busy with group assignments. And yes, maybe you should bring food. Healthy snacks, please. My brain needs vitamins.
Oh, wow. Group assignments again? I feel sorry for you. Teamwork can be fun, but also a disaster.
Exactly. That's why I'm so tired. Teamwork is important, but it can feel like running a marathon while carrying a sofa.
A sofa? Why a sofa?
I don't know. It just feels heavy and uncomfortable.
I see. Anyway, good to see you again, and welcome to another episode of our Learning Chat, even though nobody is recording us.
True, but we can pretend. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Ready Talk, where Alex suffers and Sora laughs.
That actually sounds like a good title. So today, are we talking about teamwork?
Yes, teamwork. Let's talk about our experiences, funny moments, struggles, and why teamwork is like trying to share a pizza with too many people.
Perfect. Let's start. So, Alex, how would you describe teamwork in simple words?
Teamwork is when a group of people work together to reach one goal, like building a project, doing a presentation, or trying to clean a very messy room.
I like that definition. Teamwork is also about helping each other, sharing ideas, and using everyone's strengths.
Yes, and also sharing weaknesses. For example, I am terrible at drawing. If a project needs drawing, someone else must save me.
True. You draw people like stick figures.
Hey, stick figures are art too.
Sure, if the assignment is for kindergarten.
Wow, already attacking me. This is great teamwork.
Sorry, I'm joking. But seriously, teamwork means we don't have to do everything alone.
Yes, it's like having backup. Like in video games, when the boss is too strong, call your teammates.
Exactly. And teamwork can be fun because you can learn from others.
But it can also be stressful.
Oh yes, let the trauma begin. Let's talk about the good side first. What do you think is the best thing about teamwork?
For me, it's having many ideas. When I work alone, I have only my own brain. But in a team, I have multiple brains. It feels like having superpowers.
Yes, more brains, more creativity.
And sometimes your teammates help you see things in different ways. They think differently, and that can make the project better.
True. I also like teamwork because it feels less lonely. If I work alone for too long, I start talking to my laptop.
I do that too, actually.
Really? What do you tell your laptop?
Please don't crash. Please save my work. Please don't freeze.
Me too. I think all students do that.
Maybe our laptops think we're weird.
Maybe they're planning a laptop strike soon.
Oh no, we need laptops for teamwork too, especially online teamwork.
Yes, online teamwork is very popular now. We can meet on Zoom, Google Meet, Teams, all those apps.
I like online teamwork because I can wear pajamas.
Alex, no, at least wear a nice shirt.
I do. Pajamas below, nice shirt above. Perfect balance.
You're unbelievable.
But still, the best part of teamwork is when everyone shares responsibilities. When everyone does a part, the project becomes easy.
That's true. When teamwork works well, it feels amazing.
Like magic.
Like a team of superheroes.
Exactly.
Okay, now let's talk about the darker side of teamwork.
The nightmare side.
Yes. For example, lazy teammates.
Oh no, lazy teammates. The pain in every group project.
You sound like you've been hurt before.
I have, many times. I still have emotional scars.
Tell me, what happened?
Last semester, I had a teammate who disappeared for 3 weeks. No messages, no calls, nothing.
Like a missing person?
Yes, and then the day before the deadline, he appeared and asked, "What should I do?"
No.
Yes.
I'm laughing, but also feeling your pain.
And then he said, "I can help with the conclusion." The conclusion, the easiest part.
That is the classic lazy teammate strategy. Wait until the end and take the easy job.
Exactly. But in teamwork, everyone should contribute.
True. For me, the worst experience was someone who wanted to be the boss but didn't actually do anything.
Oh no, the fake leader.
Yes, always giving orders. You do this, you do that, you finish this. But they only supervise.
So annoying.
Very. Teamwork should be equal.
Yes, but sometimes you have people who are too quiet too.
Quiet teammates?
Yes, the ones who don't talk at all. You ask, what do you think? And they say, anything is fine. And I'm like, help us, please.
Maybe they are shy.
I know, but teamwork needs communication.
Absolutely. Communication is the heart of teamwork.
Without communication, teamwork is just people sitting together confused.
That's so true. When you join a team, what role do you usually take?
I think I'm usually the organizer. I make the plan, divide tasks, and check deadlines.
So you're like the project manager.
Yes, but with zero salary.
You should negotiate next time.
I will. I want snacks or I quit.
I think they will give you snacks.
Good.
I think my role depends on the team. Sometimes I'm the idea person, sometimes I'm the helper, sometimes I'm the let's not fight, okay, person.
The peacekeeper.
Yes, because some teammates argue a lot.
Oh, yes. Group arguments. A true drama.
One time, two teammates argued for 1 hour about the color of the PowerPoint slide.
1 hour?
Yes, because one wanted blue and one wanted green.
Why not mix blue and green?
I suggested that. They said no.
Oh my God.
Eventually, I chose a neutral color, white.
The safest color.
Yes, white never disappoints.
That's why teamwork needs someone like you.
So, Alex, if we give advice to beginners learning English and teamwork, what tips would you give?
Tip number 1. Communicate clearly. Tell your team what you can do, what you need help with, and when you can finish things.
Good tip. Tip number 2, respect each other's ideas. Even if you think an idea is strange, listen first.
Tip number 3, be responsible. Don't disappear like my old teammate.
Poor Alex.
It still hurts.
Tip number 4, share the workload. Don't let one person do everything.
Yes, that is very important. A team should feel balanced.
Tip number 5, be patient. Teamwork can be slow. People think differently.
Yes, and sometimes people work at different speeds. I work slow but carefully.
I work fast but make mistakes.
That is why we are a good team. Your speed plus my carefulness is perfect.
Aw, look at us being cute.
But really, teamwork becomes good when people understand each other.
And trust each other.
And don't argue for 1 hour about PowerPoint colors.
Definitely not. Let's share some funny teamwork stories, something that makes beginners laugh.
I have one. Remember in our first year when we had to make a video?
Oh no, the cooking video?
Yes, the cooking video.
Oh my God, that video was chaos.
Total chaos. First, we couldn't decide what to cook.
Yes, and then we tried to cook pancakes, but someone burned them.
That someone was you.
No, it was you.
Okay, maybe it was both of us. We were both terrible at cooking.
The funniest part was the background sound. Someone's dog kept barking.
And someone's phone kept ringing.
And the camera fell twice.
But in the end, the video was actually pretty good.
Yes, we laughed so much that day.
That is the best part of teamwork. Fun moments.
Learning together, laughing together, and suffering together.
True friendship.
I also remember our presentation about climate change.
Oh no, don't tell them the story.
I have to. It's too funny.
Okay, fine.
During the presentation, the projector didn't work.
And we tried every button.
And every cable.
And then, this is the best part, we realized the problem.
Yes, the projector wasn't even plugged in.
The whole time.
Everyone laughed, including the teacher. But after that, our presentation went well.
Yes, teamwork saved us.
Teamwork isn't only for school, it's important for work too.
Yes, almost every job needs teamwork. Teachers, doctors, engineers, designers, everyone works in teams.
And even in daily life, like planning a trip with friends, you need teamwork.
True, when we traveled to Da Nang, our teamwork was amazing.
Yes, except when you forgot to book the hotel.
I made one small mistake,
A small mistake? We almost slept on the beach
but in the end, everything was fine.
because I found another hotel.
Which is why teamwork is important. We saved each other.
Exactly. Well, Alex, I think we talked about teamwork for a long time. My throat is dry.
Same here, but I think we shared a lot of good examples and stories.
Yes, and I hope everyone listening learned something useful.
Teamwork is not always easy, but it can be fun, meaningful, and powerful.
And it helps you grow, not only as a student, but as a person.
Absolutely. And remember, communication and responsibility are the keys.
Also, patience, especially if you work with Alex.
Hey,
Just kidding.
anyway, thank you all for joining us today.
If you enjoyed this conversation and want more simple English practice,